All right. So I wrote this article. Came out when? Yesterday, right?
Yesterday, yep.
Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So it's freedom and flexibility and illusion in the gig economy. Well, you know what? Yeah, I think it is because after 6 years of being, Tony is going to chime in here and say, "Oh, don't worry about it." After 4 weeks, I don't want to wait 4 weeks, Tony. Let me tell you something, bud. This weekend, my neighborhood, which never surges, surging 15, $20 a pop. And I'm like, well, if I had a Quest, maybe, just or a CRB or some sort of boost, whatever, I'd be out there driving. So now I have to drive like at least a month, according to Tony, driven dad from Denver, to get back into the good graces of the freaking algorithm. That's my boss. There's your freedom and flexibility. Algorithm is your boss's people. So this is the email after 2 weeks because I want to write an article about delivery versus rideshare. I did like 2 weeks of delivery, and he goes, "Hey, Sergio, most of your trips in the past 2 weeks have been deliveries with Uber Eats. So, hello, and then he goes, so now it says you're going to get Uber Eats promotions instead of promotions, ride promotions. Why? What happened to my flexibility? I do 5 trips rideshare and 10 trips food. I get what I get. Now, if you're going to cut me off altogether, don't sugarcoat it like this. Just say, hey, man, you know why we're not going to give you the Quest? Because you're taking the rideshare Quest, applying it to Uber Eats, and we're losing our ass. That's why we're not giving you the rideshare Quest. How about that? Talk to me about that, which I agree, by the way, because the margins on Uber Eats, I check my receipts, are stupid low. I mean, ridiculous, like 50 cents, $1.50, $2. And I'm like, I don't care. So what I did, of course, was I had rideshare Quest and I applied it to Uber Eats, and Uber lost money. And then, but Uber says it like this. He goes, yeah, we'll reassess your preferred trip type. I don't have a preferred trip type. I want to do all 4. You have the next screenshot, bud? The one with all the preferences that I have in my account?
Oh, no.
You don't have that one? Okay, so everybody knows when there's like on the lower left-hand corner next to the go button, there's like two horizontal lines or whatever they are, asterisk. And you click on that, that's your preference. I have 5 things in there, 5. I can choose anything, anytime I want, according to you, Uber and Lyft. Well, forget Lyft. I don't know why I'm talking about Lyft. So Uber, you gave me those 5 choices. If you didn't, why do I have the preferences? It's my preference. This week I do Uber Eats. Next week I do rideshare. But that doesn't mean some algorithm somewhere is going to decide that I'm not going to get the money. So to me, it's like, what freedom and flexibility? Algorithm is my boss. He's or she or is an algorithm he or she? Because we're big in pronouns these days. I have to introduce myself as Sergio, he, him. I'm like, I don't even understand that.
I think it's an it.
It's an it. Okay, it is watching me, and Wheezy, delivery is juicy, my man. Or oh no, lady, I apologize. Delivery is wonderful. They don't throw up in your car. They don't slam your door. They don't ask for aux cord. Go read my article coming out. Wheezy, delivery is wonderful. As long as you're productive half the time you're sitting on your butt in your car watching YouTube, though. So yeah, there is no freedom. There's no flexibility. And they cut me off. I'm in Quest jail. But you know what? I don't give a rat's ass, Chris. Because when the city is surging 15, $20 a pop, I don't care about what is the Quest now? 70 for what, $100? I don't care about the dollar. There you go. Look at it. Oh yeah. They go, here, Serge. This is your Uber Eats whatever promo. It goes, boost your earnings by driving. Look at the one on the left, Chris. You know all that green area, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's like the mountains. I go like, there's no restaurants up there, Uber Eats. They give me a boost for my Uber Eats between 9 p.m. and midnight. I'm like, no, thank you. The next one is in the middle of the city. Okay, I'm not going to be there at that hour anyway, because if I was in there, I'm not going to do Uber Eats. I'm going to do rideshare and kill it. It says between 12 a.m. and 4 a.m. So this is what they downgraded me down to. 1.1 boost, 1.2 boost, and between 12 a.m. and 4 a.m. Shove it, Uber. There you go. That's it.
So you're only getting Boost Plus, but that should apply. Doesn't that apply for both rideshare and delivery?
Yeah, 1.1. What is that?
Yeah, I mean 1.1 is not.
What is that?
Anything, but still.
I mean,
So
you know,
instead of 60 cents a mile, you're what, 63 or 66 cents a mile?
66 cents a mile. And but guess what? My I'm going to start driving more rideshare because it's surging like hell now. It's like the morning rush hour is there, afternoon rush hour is there, weekends are lit up from like I don't know.
Here's the thing that comes down to the whole freedom and flexibility thing. So if you drive full time, you don't have freedom and flexibility because you're online all the time. You have to. If you want to drive and make money and, you know, be selective, if you're driving part-time like Sergio, myself, you're trying to stack the bonuses when you can. So again, you see on those screenshots, they're only doing it at certain times. They're not doing it at other times.
Well, I'm laughing at
you,
Zoom.
okay,
I'm not
when you're going to go on. This is where you're going to go on, and there you go. And then there's the, you know, the weekend driver, or the people who are just doing it for extra. So they might be watching, they might not, but yeah, there's not too much freedom and flexibility there.
Nope. They forced me. They forced me to do this. Either you do this or you do that. I'm like, no, that's not how it works. That's exactly why you guys getting sued. You can't have the cake and eat it too. There you go. Suck it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.